Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic.
If you've been hearing the term AI agents everywhere lately, you're not imagining it. This is one of the biggest shifts happening in AI right now, and it's moving faster than most people realize. A new report from Databricks just laid out what's actually happening behind the scenes, and more importantly, what it means for everyday users like you and me. So in this video, I'm going to break it down in plain English. What AI agents really are, what companies are actually doing with them, and what you should pay attention to right now, because this is one of those moments where things are about to change quickly. Let's start simple. To understand agents, we first have to clear up one big misconception. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. First, an AI agent is a system that can take a specific goal and make decisions without being told exactly what to do next, and take actions across tools or systems. So instead of you asking AI one question at a time, you can say something like, research the best options, compare them, and give me a recommendation. And the agent actually goes out and does it. Think of it less like a tool and more like a digital assistant that can work through tasks for you. The big shift. Here's the biggest takeaway from the report. Companies are moving from experimenting with AI to actually deploying AI agents in real work. And that's a big deal, because up until now, a lot of AI use has been testing, playing around, and small productivity boosts. But now we're seeing real workflows, real automation, and real business impact. This is where AI starts becoming part of how work actually gets done, where AI agents are being used. The report highlights a few key areas where AI agents are already showing up. 1. Customer support. Agents can handle requests, look up information, and respond automatically. Data and research. They can gather information from multiple sources, summarize it, and present insights. 3. Internal workflows. This is the big one. Things like processing documents, updating systems, handling repetitive tasks. This is where companies are seeing real efficiency gains, the real challenges. Now here's where things get interesting. Even though AI agents are powerful, they're not easy to get right. The report calls out 3 big challenges. 1. Trust. Can you rely on the agent to do the right thing? 2. Evaluation. How do you measure if it's actually working correctly? 3. Governance. How do you control what it can and can't do? This is why you're not seeing everything automated yet. Companies are moving forward, but carefully. What this means for you. So what does this mean for everyday users? Here's the reality. You don't need enterprise-level AI agents to benefit from this. You're already starting to see early versions in tools like AI assistants that can browse the web, tools that can organize information, and systems that can complete multi-step tasks. This is just the beginning. For the next year or two, you're going to see smarter automation, less manual work, and AI that feels more like a true assistant. What to watch next? If you want to stay ahead of this, start paying attention to tools that don't just answer questions, but actually do things for you. That's the shift. And honestly, this is one of the biggest changes in how we use technology in a long time. If you want simple, practical ways to actually use AI like this in your daily life, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And if you're ready to get serious about making AI your coworker, not just your chatbot, you can get free prompts and a 30-day AI confidence checklist, no sign-up required, at everydayaimadesimple.ai. That's where I'm building tools, guides, and resources to help you confidently use AI in your everyday life and work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.